Brian here, 5-Star Engines. Well, we're well into lawnmower repair time, and people give you a lawnmower and they tell you what the thing's going on, and well, yeah, you should always check the easy things first. And this machine wouldn't work. Customers suggested maybe clean the carb, but you're looking at the spark plug, and how's that supposed to spark when it's supposed to look like that? So look at that. I don't know what happened. Possibly that could be the wrong spark plug and the piston hit it. So I'm going to have to go back and check and make sure what is the proper plug for this lawnmower. It cannot spark. It will not jump. That thing's grounded out dead short. My guess is when I put the right plug in, it'll probably start. But just the thing there, always check the simple stuff. Check the air filter box when you get a machine. Check the spark plug, and then you can go from there. Once again, Brian, 5-Star Engines. Hey, I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.